I have this huge air conditioning unit at the side of my house, and I hate the fact that everyone can see it. I wanted to make a screen to hide it, but I wanted to make sure that there would get airflow to the unit and it would be open for maintenance. So using pressure-treated lumber, I constructed a simple frame. I stained the frame a nice cherry red. I didn't want it to be ordinary, so I wove pieces of aluminum flashing at the bottom. The screen permits airflow and is open on the one side to allow for maintenance, and it really looks cool. With the extra flashing I had left over, I decided to use it to make a garden border. Wearing gloves, I folded down the top edge and used a rubber mallet to hammer it into place. Then I dug a trench along the pavement and pushed the flashing into place. This gave my garden a sleek industrial look.